Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. Today's video we are going to make this beautiful double Petri flowers. Let's get started. For today's project I'm taking a medium viscosity resin. This is from Joy Art. It's their speed resin. So since we are doing the Petri effect, take a mold that has a depth of at least 8 to 10 mm. The Petri effect looks good if your mold has a little bit of depth. So I've taken a coaster which has a depth of about 10 mm. So for the first layer I'm making sure that I've taken enough resin to fill half of the coaster, so to about 5 mm. So I'm using two colors, the orange and teal. So for the Petri effect, if you've seen my previous videos, you got to wait for the resin to reach the right consistency. So I waited, the timing varies, so sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's 40 minutes. So when it reaches the right consistency, pour it into the coaster and remove all the bubbles. So I drop the orange alcohol ink followed by the white, and I do it twice, then allow it to do its thing. Then with the help of a skewer I make some petal designs. As you know, the nature of resin, everything comes to the middle, so after an hour and a half everything just comes together in the middle. Allow this to completely cure before moving on to the next layer. After 24 hours, this is how it looks. So everything just really came in the middle, and it's really small. Hopefully it looks good once we demold. So I've combined my next batch of resin, allowed it to reach the right consistency, and I am pouring it into the next 5 mm depth. Remove all the air bubbles, and it's time to drop in the next color, which is teal. So drop in the teal color followed by the white alcohol ink. Do this 2 times to get a good depth. Then again with the help of a skewer I make some petal designs, and then allow the resin to completely cure. That's it. This is really simple, and hopefully we'll get a really cool design after 24 hours. So poured the resin and the inks maybe 10 minutes later than usual, because I did not want all the colors to come to the middle. I wanted it to stay where it is. This is inspired by my favorite Petri artist on Instagram, Colors and Resin. She does some amazing Petri effects. Do check out her channel. So we are going to allow this to cure for 24 hours, and we'll demold and see how it goes. So it's been 24 hours, time to demold. Oh, look at that, so pretty. So this is really simple to do, guys, so do try it out, and do tag me on my Instagram channel at everything_resin. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.